don't think he can get out, can he? Definitely don't need any more, do you, kitty? Abby's looking at him.
Astro, hi. Do you remember your name? Hey.
What have you been into, huh?
Kitty, kitty. Hi.
Fruity, it's a good time to come and attack Astro.
Alright, I have one for Dad.
Dad from?
Oh, I hear Maple coming
I
again.
have one for Dad.
That's from you?
There she is. What a chicken little kitty.
Are you joking?
You're a scaredy girl.
Oh my
yes,
goodness,
you
what
are.
did you
Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty.
More pants?
Trash.
Dad got more pants. Ooh la la.
The flyers. Will
They
you
are?
fly?